T is for tiger, the majestic cat of the jungle. Tigers are known for their beautiful striped fur, which helps them blend into the tall grass. Did you know that they are the largest wild cats? These incredible animals are powerful and agile, able to sprint at high speeds when hunting. As apex predators, tigers play a crucial role in their ecosystem, keeping populations of other animals in check. Tigers are also known for their loud roar, which can be heard over long distances. They are solitary creatures, often roaming vast territories in search of food. Remember, T is for tiger, a symbol of strength and grace in the wild. Follow us for more fun English learning adventures.